Let's enter the silence together. As you breathe in, and as you breathe out, allow any tension in your body to soften. Allow your muscles to soften. I am whole. I am whole. As a divine being, I am whole. As Julie was saying, sometimes it's hard for us to see that wholeness, that oneness, that health and vitality when we look externally at the world. But inside you is a secret place, a hiding place, a place of peace, a place of joy that doesn't matter what's going on externally. The world, diagnoses, illnesses, politics, division, images of separation, images of hatred. None of that can touch the inside you. The interior place in you is whole and healthy and happy and secure and eternal. Your everlasting divine spirit. That is the real you. That is the whole you. That is the divine you. And as you focus on that divine inside, then that light in you shines forth. We are whole as a divine being. We are whole. As you breathe in the word yes. Breathe out all limitation. Breathe again the word yes, 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 yes. Breathe out all limitation. Know that as a divine being, you are whole. Thank you, God. And so it is.